I'm back. Hey, what's going on? Erik here, Texas Barndominiums. So I guess you guys noticed, but I've been gone for about 2 weeks now. Daniel and Leroy have been doing the videos lately, and in my opinion, they've been doing a great job. This is kind of part of the reason that I wanted to include these guys into the mix. Multiple reasons. One, you guys get to know them more, and two, sometimes I'm not here, so I need them to kind of help out and do the video so that we can continue to bring you guys content on a weekly basis like we want to do this year. Where was I? Well, some of you guys already know this, but some of you don't. I was in Phoenix, Arizona, and we were competing against Ireland in what's called the Creedmoor Cup. I'm not going to go into much detail, but that match has been going on for over 100 years, and the United States won. Again, some of you guys know this, but I'm a professional long-range shooter. But anyway, that's where I was. So Leroy and Daniel and the rest of the crew stayed behind, taking care of our customers, putting up Barndominiums every day. And I was so grateful that these guys can help out and take over when I'm not around. And, you know, that's part of having a great team. When I can have a great team that I can fall back on, these guys step up and they do a great job even when I'm not around. So that's that. The Friday feast. I've noticed some of you guys are really liking that. I know I am. Again, we started doing this Friday feast thing because there's so many great spots, local and not so much local to us, but local to where we build Barndominiums, that are just so good. So anyway, we want to get that out there to you guys so that you guys can experience the same things we experience. Again, we're showing you guys more and more the behind the scenes of what goes on around here. As you guys know, Daniel came on the team, and we had a computer that said, here, you can edit videos on this one because I don't want to give up mine. So, oh my God, it was so slow. So I said, you know what? Let's build a computer. Well, once we started looking into it, to really build what we really want, it's going to be a few $1,000s. And when I say few, probably over 5. We're not doing much 4K right now. We're going to in the future. So we decided, you know what, let's just upgrade this computer. We got a video card, some extra memory, and that's going to do the trick for now. But he ran into some driver issues. So anyway, he did a video on that. And you know what? We just want to make sure that we show you guys what really happens, right? Not everything's hunky-dory. We have issues. And guess what? We're going to show you more of the issues, all right? We're going to show you what really happens. We're also going to show you some great barndos, right? We're going to show you what we build. We showed you what that fix that we came up with for that chimney. This month we have 2 Barndominiums that we put up there. We put one up 2-3 days ago, completed Barndominiums. They're short clips, but you know, we're working on that. So go check those out. It was Barndo 195, Barndo 201. Go check them out. Give us a like. All that good stuff. You know what to do. So anyway, I'm back and I'm loving it. It's cold in Texas again, believe it or not. It was hot for a week, and then now it's cold again, and I'm sure it's going to be hot again tomorrow. So do us a favor, if you haven't subscribed, do so now. Tell your friends all about us, because we're going to burn this down. We're going to bring you so much good content, and you're going to love it. We are Texas Barndominiums. We'll see you.